The PS-900 machine is the world's first automated Punjabi Samosa production solution, delivering authentic Indian flavors. Up to 900 pieces per hour, fast, easy production. CE protection is optional. The machine saves space and streamlines production. First, prepare the filling. The handmade dough follows a traditional recipe. The dough is cut into individual samosa wrappers. Making Punjabi Samosa in 3 simple steps. Pour the ingredients into the 42-liter filling hopper. Next, press the start button. Automatic Punjabi Samosa production starts with placing the wrappers. The samosa can be sent for frying or freezing based on production needs. PS-900 can produce 60 gram, 70 gram, and 80 gram Punjabi Samosa. The Punjabi Samosa is crispy and retains its signature pyramid shape. PS-900 preserves the authentic taste of the product. The entire machine can be washed with low-pressure water. Let's create an automated Punjabi Samosa production solution that supports your business.